Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ultrasonic carburetor cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're maintaining carburetors, cleaning jewelry, or handling industrial parts, these ultrasonic cleaners are designed to make the job easier and more efficient. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Creworks 15L Ultrasonic Cleaner. This industrial-grade cleaner stands out with its massive 15-liter capacity and powerful 360W ultrasonic cavitation, making it ideal for large-scale cleaning tasks. It's perfect for automotive parts, jewelry, and home improvement tools. The ultrasonic bubbles penetrate deep into intricate surfaces, removing rust, grease, and carbon buildup without harmful chemicals, a major plus for eco-conscious users. The design is robust, featuring stainless steel construction, both inside and out, with 304-grade stainless steel for the basket and tank, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. It's equipped with non-skid rubber feet for stability and inset handles for portability. The built-in fuse adds extra protection against power surges, making it safe and reliable for long-term use. The control panel is straightforward, with knobs for temperature and timer settings, ranging from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 30 minutes, giving you flexibility for different cleaning needs. However, the Creworks cleaner may not suit users who need a compact option or those working with delicate, smaller items that require lower ultrasonic power. Its price isn't listed, which could deter some budget-conscious buyers. While it excels in heavy-duty cleaning, size and power might be overkill for casual or home users. That said, if you need industrial performance, this cleaner is worth considering for its robust design and versatility. Taking the 4th spot is the Lemo K-Parts 3L Ultrasonic Cleaner, a solid mid-range option for users seeking a balance between capacity and performance. With its 3-liter tank and 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, this cleaner is ideal for a wide range of items, from carburetors and automotive parts to jewelry and dental equipment. Its 120-watt ultrasonic power and 100-watt heating power ensure thorough cleaning, even for stubborn grease and wax. The design is user-friendly, featuring a digital control panel with touch buttons to precisely set cleaning times, 1 to 30 minutes, and temperatures up to 80 degrees C. The heating function enhances cleaning efficiency, making it especially effective for industrial components and delicate items alike. Built with durable stainless steel, it's designed to withstand years of use, and it's certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS for safety and reliability. While it's an excellent choice for both home and professional use, the Lemo K-Parts cleaner lacks the capacity of larger models, which might limit its usefulness for bulkier items. Additionally, the price is not listed, which might make it harder for potential buyers to assess its value compared to competitors. Overall, this cleaner strikes a good balance between functionality and durability, making it a great all-around choice. In 3rd place, we have the VEVOR 2-liter Ultrasonic Carburetor Cleaner Machine. This compact cleaner is perfect for users with smaller cleaning tasks who want reliable performance without sacrificing space. Its 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency and 60-watt power deliver effective cleaning for carburetors, jewelry, fuel injectors, and more. The 2-liter capacity is sufficient for most household and DIY cleaning applications, and the included mesh basket ensures delicate items are protected during the process. The VEVOR cleaner is crafted from corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. It features an intuitive digital control panel that allows users to set cleaning times, 1 to 30 minutes, and temperatures with ease. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year warranty and customer support, providing peace of mind for buyers. Its compact size makes it ideal for limited spaces, and it's certified by CE, FCC, and UKCA, ensuring safety and quality. While the smaller capacity makes it less suitable for bulkier or industrial items, it's a fantastic choice for those looking for an affordable and versatile cleaner for everyday use. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone with smaller cleaning needs, the VEVOR 2-liter ultrasonic cleaner is a strong contender. At number 2 is the VEVOR Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner 6L, a budget-friendly option that punches above its weight in terms of features and performance. With a 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, 180 watts ultrasonic power, and 200 watts heating power, this cleaner delivers efficient cleaning for a range of items, including carburetors, jewelry, and industrial parts. The 6-liter tank size offers ample capacity for medium-sized tasks, and the included basket keeps items secure during cleaning. The design features a durable 304 stainless steel build, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Its digital control panel is easy to operate, allowing users to set cleaning times 0 to 30 minutes and temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius with precision. The machine also boasts advanced transducer technology, which enhances cleaning efficiency and ensures thorough results. Despite its budget price, this cleaner is XCC, CE, RoHS, and UL certified, making it a reliable and safe choice. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, such as higher ultrasonic power or larger capacity, it's an excellent option for users seeking affordability and functionality. Whether you're cleaning jewelry, watches, or automotive parts, this cleaner offers great value for its price, making it a top pick for budget-conscious buyers. Finally, taking the top spot is the VEVOR 10L Sonic Cleaner. This premium ultrasonic cleaner combines robust performance and user-friendly features, making it the ideal choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. With a powerful 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency and 240 watts ultrasonic power, it excels at removing stubborn grease, dirt, and carbon buildup from carburetors, jewelry, and industrial components. The 10-liter capacity is perfect for larger items or multiple parts, offering versatility for a variety of applications. The build quality is outstanding, with corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel for the interior and basket. The portable handle and convenient drainage design enhance usability, while the digital control panel allows precise adjustments for cleaning time, 0 to 30 minutes, and temperature, up to 110 degrees Celsius. The heated cleaning function further improves cleaning efficiency by dissolving dirt faster, making it suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty items. The cleaner is versatile enough to handle everything from lab tools to automotive parts, making it a reliable assistant for professionals. While it's the most expensive model on this list at $119.99, the VEVOR 10L Sonic Cleaner delivers exceptional value for its price. It's perfect for users who need robust cleaning power and a large tank capacity, and its advanced features make it a worthwhile investment for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.